Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to Invest In. My name's Logan, and this video is a little bit more informal for you as well. This is a direct follow-up to the video that I posted just a couple days ago about Tesla's new discounted finance rate for Model Ys. That's right. If you didn't know, Tesla just announced that until the end of the month, until the end of May 2024, all new Model Y orders using Tesla financing are 0.99% financing for well-qualified borrowers. And after learning that, I actually went up to our local Tesla dealership and scheduled a demo drive. Talked to the folks there and got some more information about it. We are extremely serious in considering purchasing a Model Y to take advantage of this offer. And I wanted to relay some information to you that I found out from the folks that I spoke with. So the first thing is, as I mentioned before, this applies to well-qualified borrowers. And to most financial institutions, that lands somewhere around a credit score of 750, thereabout. In the case of this offer, though, I heard direct from Tesla, 720 is what they consider to be well qualified. So maybe that's you. Maybe you fall somewhere between 720 and 750, and you might not have considered applying. Obviously, you need to make the best financial choice for you, but gosh, this is just an amazingly low rate. And so again, trying to get as many people qualified, as many of these Model Ys as they're looking to move. Basically, if you've got a credit score of 720 or better, they're very interested in offering this rate to you. Additionally, if you go to spec one out on their website, there's a down payment that sort of auto-populates at approximately 10%. And that was another question that I had is, do they expect 10%? Do they expect more or less than 10%? Or, where does that fall? Basically, the information that I was given from the representative directly is that if you qualify for this rate, if you are able to come in above that 720, you do not need to make a down payment. You can zero cash. All you'd need to pay is the tax and the price to $250 to order the Tesla, that normal cost. But you do not need to make a down payment. You can, but you don't need to. And that's something that was really curious to me, because obviously the more of a down payment you make, or the more value in your trade-in, you're going to end up with a lower monthly payment because you're going to be financing less. However, this is a very interesting situation with an interest rate at 0.99. So under these terms, you can take out a 72-month loan, or 60, or whatever you're interested in, take out your loan at the rate, and basically paying no down payment, you can take whatever lump sum you would have put towards a down payment, and you can put that into a CD or a money market account. There's so many great offers out there right now for, I would say, anything above 4.75 is quite common. Even at some of the larger banks, the Wells Fargos, the Chases, Bank of Americas, are even offering in the fours without any hassle. But if you shop around, you'll find, Ally, or some of the online banks, SoFi, that have a little bit more competitive rates. You can very easily get a CD or a money market account locked in for 5%, 5.125%, 5.25% even. So once again, if you can afford it, if the financial situation is right for you, it's a very interesting opportunity to order this Tesla, get the federal tax credit, get potentially a state tax incentive rebate, but if you're able to lock in that 0.99% financing, especially with no down payment, you could take that lump sum and, like I said, keep it in the bank. Yes, you will be making a larger monthly payment. That's not comfortable for everyone. I'm not recommending it at all. You do what's right for you. But knowing that your mileage may vary, that may well be something to consider, to, instead of giving Tesla your money as a down payment, instead of giving Tesla your trade-in, if you can sell that yourself, or if you can keep that down payment lump sum yourself and keep it invested, you might be able to, recoup that, let your money work for you at a net of 4%, interest. Every compounded piece of interest helps, right? So just my 2 cents. Again, this is not recommendation. I obviously don't work for Tesla or anything like that, but just a guy who's trying to share some advice with people to help everybody save a little bit of money, take advantage of a great deal. And I think the next step for us is to go ahead and pre-order, or go ahead and order our Model Y. See you in the next one.